Ahlan wa sahlan, marhaba bikum Tobys. So guys, camping season is start. So every day we have a new video. So today I'm gonna show you our new camping product, camping table. So well guys, length is 4 foot, okay, and height is 1.5 feet, and width is 2 feet. So well viewers, this is a very strong table, okay. So what do you think? It's a strong one, right?
Very strong.
Yeah. So guys, this is a very strong table.
Is it metal body?
Yes, this is a metal body and very strong one. So I think to up to 50 kg can hold the weight here. So well guys, this is the cover, okay, this metal table inside this box, and let me open for you and let you how to fix the table. Come on. Well guys, this is the video I want to share with you. So now season is start. If you want to enjoy camping, please keep touch with us, okay. So we always make new video, a new product, and show you how to fix and how to enjoy yourself. So if you want to make order, visit our data outlets, Diamond branches, Tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon, and Alibaba as well. Stay with us. See you next video. Bye bye.